What is up, everyone? Welcome back to KickStep, the channel that tells you exactly where to spend your money and where to save it. And today we're talking about getting real performance without paying premium prices. You don't need to drop $250 on a carbon-plated race day shoe to run well. Some of the best trainers on the market right now sit comfortably under $200 and honestly deliver most of what the flagship models offer. Whether you're training for a marathon, running a few times a week, or just want a genuinely great everyday trainer without the inflated price tag, this list has you covered. Today at KickStep, we're counting down the 10 best running shoes under $200 in 2026, ranked by comfort, performance, durability, and real value for your money. Let's get into it. Kicking off at number 10 is the Nike Revolution 8, proof that a genuinely comfortable running shoe doesn't need a premium price tag. The lightweight foam midsole cushions every step smoothly, whether you're jogging, walking, or mixing in gym sessions, and the engineered mesh upper keeps things breathable without ever feeling flimsy. Reviewers consistently praise its all-day comfort and durability, and at this price point, it's one of the smartest entry-level buys on the market. It won't blow you away with cutting-edge tech, but for daily miles and building a running habit, it just works. At number 9 is the Adidas Duramo SL2, a genuinely lively, responsive trainer that punches well above its price point. Instead of feeling soft or sluggish like a lot of budget options, it encourages a quicker turnover and an energetic stride, making it a strong pick for runners who like picking up the pace. It stays beginner-friendly despite that liveliness, and its versatility across running, walking, and gym use makes it a smart, affordable everyday pick that doesn't feel like a compromise. Number 8 belongs to the Brooks Ghost 16. A shoe that consistently proves you don't need to spend $200 plus to get a genuinely premium ride. Its signature midsole foam delivers a soft yet responsive underfoot feel that reduces stress on the knees and ankles, making it a dependable option for beginners and seasoned runners alike. The engineered mesh upper stays breathable through long runs, and the durable outsole handles asphalt, treadmills, and light trails with confidence. Landing comfortably under $200, it's one of the best value for money daily trainers available right now. At number 7, the ASICS Gel-Excite 11 feels like a genuine step above basic entry-level trainers without the higher price tag. Updated cushioning creates a softer, smoother ride that makes everyday miles more comfortable, and it works as a true do-everything trainer. Easy runs, gym sessions, treadmill workouts. It strikes a comfortable middle ground. Not too soft, not too firm, not too heavy, making it a fantastic option for anyone training toward their first 5K or just building consistency without spending big. Number 6 goes to the Saucony Kinvara 15, a lightweight, low-drop trainer that's remained a fan favorite for runners who want a quicker, more natural-feeling ride under $200. The midsole strikes a genuinely nimble balance between cushioning and responsiveness, making it ideal for tempo runs and faster daily efforts without feeling like a stripped-down racing flat. The breathable mesh upper keeps things cool and secure, and its low weight makes longer runs feel noticeably less taxing. A smart pick for anyone who wants a bit more speed in their everyday rotation. At number 5, the New Balance Fresh Foam 880 V14 delivers a genuinely plush, protective ride that rivals shoes twice its price. The fresh foam midsole absorbs impact efficiently while keeping the stride balanced and stable, making it a strong choice for long-distance training and recovery days alike. The engineered mesh upper stays breathable and adaptive, and multiple width options make it one of the more inclusive picks on this list. For runners who prioritize comfort above all else without breaking the bank, this is a genuinely smart buy. Number 4 is the Hoka Clifton 9. Proof that maximal cushioning doesn't have to come with a maximal price tag. Its EVA midsole delivers a plush yet responsive ride that reduces impact on the knees and hips, and Hoka's signature rocker geometry promotes a smooth, natural stride that makes longer distances feel easier. It's cushioned enough for recovery runs, light enough for moderate-paced training, and durable enough to handle serious weekly mileage, all while staying comfortably under $200. At number 3, the ASICS Gel Nimbus 26 brings genuine max cushion comfort to a price point that undercuts most of its premium competitors. Gel technology in the rear foot and forefoot absorbs shock effectively, reducing joint impact during high-mileage runs, while the responsive midsole foam keeps the stride smooth and fatigue-free. The engineered mesh upper stays cool and secure during intense workouts, and wide size availability makes it an especially inclusive pick. A genuinely premium-feeling shoe that happens to land under $200. Number 2 belongs to the Puma Velocity Nitro 3, a shoe that feels far more capable than its price tag suggests. Nitro foam underfoot creates a responsive, lively ride without ever feeling stiff, adapting well across paces from easy jogs to faster tempo efforts. Reliable outsole grip holds up confidently on wet roads and uneven pavement, areas where a lot of budget-conscious shoes tend to struggle. It genuinely feels like a performance trainer that happens to offer serious value under $200. And the number 1 spot on KickStep's 10 best running shoes under $200 in 2026 goes to the Nike Pegasus 41, the ultimate proof that you don't need to overspend to get a shoe that does everything well. React foam paired with Zoom Air units in the heel and forefoot delivers a lively, responsive ride that absorbs impact while keeping every stride feeling energetic. The engineered mesh upper stays breathable and secure across long runs, and the durable outsole handles roads, treadmills, and light trails with total confidence. It's genuinely capable of daily jogs, tempo sessions, recovery runs, and the occasional long run, all in one shoe, all under $200. At KickStep, number 1 always goes to the shoe that delivers the most value without any compromise. And in 2026, that's the Nike Pegasus 41. And that's KickStep's 10 best running shoes under $200 in 2026, from the reliable everyday value of the Nike Revolution 8 all the way up to the do-it-all excellence of the Pegasus 41. Proof that great running doesn't require a premium price tag. Drop a comment telling us which budget-friendly running shoe you're currently running in and which one from this list you're adding to your rotation. If this video brought you value, smash that like button, subscribe to KickStep for weekly sneaker rankings and reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.